2 of Cooking with Baz. This is our episode 11, 4th of July. So it has to be something Americano, surely. 4th of July, let's do ribs with yummy coleslaw. That's what we're gonna do. It's good to be back. The guys are back. Great songs. Some pretty wild ones in this series. Hold on to your seats. So first of all, I found some ribs which look pretty good. Have to do a rub for that. Pepper, ground cumin seeds, paprika, mustard powder, fennel seed. Grind that up and use that and just put it all over the ribs. And then the sauce, I'm going to make it up out of some tomato sauce, bit of brown sugar, apple cider. We've got Worcestershire sauce, American mustard, and some more paprika. Coleslaw, bit of cabbage, nice big carrot, all grated up. Chuck in some spring onions, which give that little tang. The mayonnaise, a little bit of buttermilk, and I think a little bit of vinegar will probably go in that as well. That's everything we've got. Okay, here we go. We've got cumin, we've got fennel, a teaspoon of each, paprika, mustard powder, pepper. So that'll be to rub over it, pour it over, and then what I'm going to do, once I've done that, I've got the baking dish here. So I'll give that a spray, a little bit of olive oil just in the bottom. That'll do. Here we go. Lay that on the bottom. Make sure the bone's on the bottom. This is going to cook for about 3 hours at 150 in the oven. Bone on the bottom. There we go. It's pretty good. There we go. So what do you reckon, Yigsik? Can you see that? What I'll do is I'll just tin foil and put that in the oven for 3 hours. And I'll make up the sauce, which after about a couple of hours I'll start brushing it over the ribs for about an hour while it's still cooking. So that's that bit done. I'm going to just put tin foil over it. Into the oven, 150 for 3 hours. Okay, let's make the sauce. Let's call it a Texan sauce for the 4th of July. Okay, half a cup of tomato sauce. Just hang on, I'll get another spoon. So a couple of dessert spoons of brown sugar. Some apple cider vinegar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll do. Tablespoon of Worcestershire, and a fair bit of mustard, because you gotta have mustard in a Texan. Yeah, that's that. And for good measure, I've got a little bit of smoked paprika. Let's put that in. Teaspoon, yeah. And you can add anything you like to it. A bit of pepper, a bit more pepper, maybe a little bit of cayenne pepper, just to give it a bit of a kick. So that's done. Now I'm going to go and do our coleslaw. Chopped up 3 spring onions. I've grated up the carrot. I'm just going to cut this cabbage up. Then just cut it about every inch. So I just throw them in. Some carrot. Spring onions. A couple of tablespoons of buttermilk. That'll do. This will feed an army, man. To get this really creamy. Organic mayonnaise. Half a cup. There you go. Stir that around. Let's not forget a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Tablespoon. There you go. I reckon just a little bit of a trick. The paprika and the cumin. I put a little bit of cayenne pepper in it just to give it a bit of bite. A bit of a zing. Here we go. Look at this. Now all we've got to do is play a few tunes and wait for the short ribs to come out. Problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Oh, it won't be long. I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Well, there is a load that you have to bear, that you can carry. Oh, I'm right up the road, and I'll share your load if you just call me, call me, call me, call me. If you need a friend, call me, call me, yeah. Call me, call me, call me. Okay, here we go. We're gonna pull out the ribs out of the oven and give them a yummy covering of the Texan barbecue sauce. Then we put them back in the oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. You with me? Pull them out. Whoa, look at this. Let's get that sauce on it. It's the way they do it in Texas, you know. I've got heaps of sauce, so I'll just do that first. I'll leave it uncovered and we'll just put it back in the oven. So that's that, just like Texas. When I was at the butcher, there was a little seafood place next door. So I'm just doing a little entree. I've just floured it up, it's really simple. Bit of fish, few prawns, stuck them in the pan, a bit of calamari, actually a bit of squid. Look at this. We're still in Americana. Shrimp. Yeah. Just a little entree. The ribs are probably ready in about 15 minutes. I might baste them again shortly. Here we go. Look at that. Seafoody entree. I'll just set up 2 plates. One more little bit of sauce on the top. Just enough to make it really yummy. Some coleslaw. That's it. What about that? How good does that look? Eh? There's your Texan short ribs with coleslaw with a little shrimp entree. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll look forward to your comments. Thanks for watching and talk to you again soon. Bye.
Yeah.